Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry in an air fryer. First, select your favorite curry paste, protein like chicken or tofu, and a mix of colorful vegetables. Ensure all your ingredients are cut into similar, bite-sized pieces for consistent cooking. A light coating of oil helps achieve that perfect crispness and flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Place your prepared ingredients in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. A single layer is best. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, giving the basket a good shake halfway through to ensure everything cooks evenly and gets beautifully golden. Once your ingredients are perfectly cooked and slightly crispy, transfer them to a mixing bowl. This is where the magic happens. Pour in your warmed curry sauce and gently stir until every piece of protein and vegetable is thoroughly coated. For a fresh finish, garnish with some vibrant cilantro or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Your delicious air fryer curry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot alongside your favorite accompaniments. Fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or even a healthy quinoa side are all fantastic choices. This method offers a quick, flavorful, and incredibly easy way to enjoy homemade curry with minimal fuss. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.